It's look like the river. Oh, you see that? You see that? Oh, it looks like the river. Our entrance gate. What happened?
Wala.
Oh, you see that, man? Oh, it look like the river. What happened in our gate? Oh, we can. I think more tilapia here. More hito. Or we can swim. Swim na tayo dito. Kawawa yung entrance gate namin dito, mga kuya. Yan oh. Diyos, malupit. Para ng ilog.